I'm an outdoor educator at a world-class university. These are our sheds where we store all our stuff, our canoes and kayaks and surfboards, all the kit that takes you out into the world. We also make some of our stuff. Here's a junk-made paddle. Students will bring in whatever wood they can scavenge, make up a paddle, and then paddle down Australia's biggest river. It's very cool. In our shed, we also have this little office. And this little office is where we'll go over charts and maps and make lists and basically plan where we're going to go. Our office here though it's crap. It's full of stuff, it becomes a dumping ground, and it's dysfunctional to staff and students. We send an email to our internal people requesting a new office. We attach fancy designs for more storage and a big wide desk. Put it through to a contractor and they said, yeah, we'll do that for $12,900. I nearly spilt my coffee. I said, mate, I can do that in a day with people's old desks. Now, old desks are all over the place. Everyone's getting new stand-up desks. So 3 great opportunities come together. We're going to get a new office, we're going to save the uni 10 grand, and old desks get another round at life. Oh, it's a horrible squeak. It's like a murder. I don't even know what's in this. Out comes the printer. Whoop, they're my paddles. Oh, they're worth more than my car. I don't even know what that thing is. Oh, another bit of desk. I forgot about this one. Based on the quote, I reckon we're already saved about 500 bucks. We're going to keep all our screws. I went canoeing in these and I put padding in them underneath the Velcros here, and I just keep them in there now. So you just become this kneeable man. Bought one. That's brilliant. Look at this little fella, she's on wheels. Look at that, can just go wherever. Oh, there's money under here. God, academic life's so clean and sterile these days. It's kind of nice to get dirty. Almost an hour to do the clean out, and this is the final stage. Don't breathe, don't breathe. I'm in a bit of a manic state because I think I often work best this way, just to get into it, you know. And so we'll now just make some raw measurements and to see where we're at with our inventory of stuff. It's great. I'm doing more problem solving in my mind now than I think I do in most days. Oh, I didn't do it deep enough. I've made a cut into the bottom one. Bugger. Onion number 1. Oh, that's sweat running into my mouth. Actually, it tastes really good. Oh, Bodie, you dick. Okay, all good. Get this one up first. It's rookie mistake there. Rookie mistake number 2. So she's pretty junkyard. Right about there, mate. Beautiful. Instantly just turned into this super lovely little functional. It's going to be a grouse office. Smell that. Smelling hundreds of years worth of history. Bloody incredible. Veranda post to office post with a lovely, beautiful piece of trim across the front. I've always had a really good relationship with stuff, I think. You know, I know how hard things are to make and how easy it is to throw away. So you spend a bit of extra time and you can stitch together small bits of junk wood that most people throw out, and you really can create something out of nothing. How hipster. You should almost leave the hinges on just to be cool. 2 old brackets, and these are going to be perfect to hold her up there in the middle. That screw there's for off the roof of my barn. Bang for buck. This is pretty schmick. I know this is just crap wood, right? It's just sausage wood. It's made out of everything that all the prime cuts have been taken away, and this is just sawdust reconstituted. But it still has a really valuable life beyond a skip, beyond one use. I like watching cars go past. I don't know what's going on. That probably says a little bit about my personality. I don't mind looking like I'm a bit of an outlier. Maybe I'm the only ever academic at this university who has made their own office. That's a cool claim to fame. I haven't told them actually that I've cut up their old desks to make something. Might get me into trouble. Might get an email in a couple of weeks' time. CCTV's captured me stealing desks. Yeah, that'd be funny. I don't know. It's a very simple equation, this. You see a $13,000 quote come through and you think, I don't believe it. I know enough about building stuff to know that that's going to take me, I don't know, 8 or 10 hours, which is about right. And no way is it going to cost 13 grand, even if it was new materials. Hell, even if it was cedar. Birch from the side of a Scandinavian hill, you know? Wouldn't cost that much. So much of my workday over there too, 380 steps away is where my regular office is. And I often come back to this point where I park each morning and you know what, my day has not really progressed anything in the world. Thin air emails. Whereas there's a real tangible thing behind me right now that we will use for, I don't know, 10 or 20 years. That means a lot. And makes this cup of tea worthwhile too. You know, I've earned my cup of tea today. I don't have to go for a run right now, I'm stuffed. So, need 2 shelves to go into here and 8 shelves to go into here. Jesus, I do stink. Get stuck in it. I'm just going to freehand these just because I've got heaps of it and I trust myself. Something's going wrong there. Why are you not the same bloody size? 10 mil short, the old 10 mil thing. When you read figures upside down, inside out, you're off. Well, I just cocked up. I was going to give you a really good excuse as to why I just cocked up, but I just cocked up. Yeah, good math, Beau. Reading upside down. Yeah, that one's right, you goose. Wouldn't think you could get bloody chips in your eyes with these on. I've just got a bit of sausage in my eyes. How the hell does wood chips get up under there into your eyeball? I don't know. Oh, lovely fit. No hands, Mum, look at that. I feel like I'm one of those DIY shows on speed because I'm in a hurry. Boom! Right, so they're ready to go. Just need a bit of cleanup. Oh, is that too tight there? Uh-oh. Disaster. How does that work? So first and second work. All right, take 2. Very satisfying. I can taste the finish line. Oh, oh. I'm going for it. I'm just gonna, all right, Mr. Fridge. A little bit awkward, but a little bit doable. Well, that's it. Just needs a nice washcloth now, and this is a kick-ass little office. 10 hours of building, bump in, bump out, and here's junk office. I'm really proud of it. I think it's fantastic. I look forward to sitting in here and getting some work done now. Right, what do I make with all these offcuts now? There's squillions of them. A miniature office. Maybe a dollhouse office? Do you reckon they'd let us now spend an extra $11,000 on canoes? Good idea, Beau.